Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the Leetcode question number 62, unique paths. The question is, there is a robot on m cross n grid. The robot is initially located at the top left corner. The robot tries to move to the bottom right corner. The robot can only move either down or right at any point in time. Given two integers m and n, return the number of possible unique paths the robot can take to reach the bottom right corner. We are given two examples here. In the first example, m is 3 and n is 7. That is, we have 3 rows and 7 columns. So if the robot travels only right or down, there are 28 possible ways to reach the bottom right corner. Hence we are returning the output as 28. In the next example, m is 3 and n is 2. So there are 3 possible ways the robot can reach the bottom right corner. Hence we are returning the output as 3. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the approach. Let's assume that the robot is in 3x7 grid. The robot is initially located in top left corner and it is trying to move to the bottom right corner. If our final destination is in the second column of the first row and our robot can only move either down or right at a time, there is only one path to move to this destination. That is, our robot can move to the right. If our final destination is in any of these cells in the first row, there is only one path to move to these destinations. Similarly, if our final destination in any of these cells in the first column, we will have only one possible path to move to these destinations. If our final destination is in the second row of the second column, we will have 2 possible paths. That is, right to down or down to right. If our final destination is in the second row of the third column, we will have 3 possible unique paths. If you see the pattern of the numbers, 3 is nothing but the sum of 2 plus 1. That is, the sum of the number in the previous row plus previous column. Similarly, if our final destination is the next cell, we will have 4 possible unique paths. That is 3 plus 1. Similarly, if our final destination is the next cell, we will have 5 possible unique paths. That is 4 plus 1. If our final destination is the next cell, we will have 6 possible unique paths. Similarly, 7 paths. For the next cell, we will have 6 possible unique paths. Similarly, for the next cell, we will have 10 possible unique paths. For the next cell, we will have 15 possible unique paths. For the next cell, we will have 21 possible unique paths. In order to reach the bottom right corner, we will have 28 possible unique paths. That is 21 plus 7. Now we will return the value that is present in the bottom right corner of the grid. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. First, we will declare the grid and assign zeros in all the cells of the grid. Grid equals to 0 for I in range of n, for j in range of m. Now we will assign 1 for all the cells of the first column. For column in range of length of grid of 0, grid of 0 of column equals to 1. Similarly, we will assign 1 for all the cells of the first row. For row in range of length of grid of row of 0 equals to 1. Now for the remaining cells, we will find the sum of previous row value and the previous column value and assign it to that particular cell. For row in 1, length of the grid, for column in 1, length of grid's first column, grid of row, column equals to previous row plus previous column. At the end, we will return the last element of the grid. Return grid of row -1, m -1 n -1. That's pretty much it. Now let's submit it. We need to close this grid. Now let's submit it. Our solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in yet another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.